Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review and unboxing of some jewelry that I got. Well, one specific piece of jewelry. It's from the brand Italo. Italo jewelry. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the company and I'm going to show you what they were kind enough to send over for me to review for you guys throughout this video. Before I get into this video though, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. If you want to see my review on this beautiful ring that I got, then just keep on watching. So Italo Jewelry actually specializes in engagement and wedding rings. Their mission is to provide very affordable jewelry. With that being said, the jewelry isn't exactly made out of diamonds or anything, so like usually engagement rings are diamonds, like mine. My wedding ring and my engagement ring have diamonds in them. I'm going to show you a comparison between the one I'm wearing, which is my actual wedding and engagement ring, to the one that they were kind enough to send over. I do want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Italo Jewelry. Thank you so much for sponsoring me, but my opinions will not change just because they're sponsoring me. It is a very, very nice piece of jewelry. I'm just going to give you all the factual information about it and show you the ring that they were kind enough to send over. First, a little bit about the company. Italo Jewelry was created by Italo, a talented craftsman and artist in Italy in 1967. Making jewelry was the dream of Italo, so he made a lot of effort to make every piece of his jewelry to make sure his customers would be satisfied with his work. Very soon, Italo Jewelry became more and more popular. Italo Jewelry keeps the value. Every moment should be remembered. So that's his mission statement. Life is wonderful and we shouldn't keep always waiting for major milestones. And that is Italo Jewelry's mission. We promise all of our micro set sapphires are hand set and inspected under microscopes by seasoned artisans who work within one of 5 disciplines: pave settings, channel settings, prongs, bezel settings, or tension settings. Metals are alloyed to ensure enduring craftsmanship. Details are celebrated in the complicated beadwork, filigree, and engraving that set our pieces apart. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how the ring came in. There was an outer package, but I ended up throwing it away. Obviously, it didn't just come like this, but this is what was inside, exactly the little package. And it's so pretty with this little bow, and it says Italo Jewelry, this is their logo, I'm assuming. And then you just open it. So there's like a flap here, and you just open it like this. And this is what I see inside. I have already opened it. I have looked at the ring and I really like it. I just think it's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ring first, and then I'm gonna show you everything that comes with it. So it comes in this little pouch right here, not pouch, but a little box. So much like you would get on one knee and propose. Basically this is the ring. Let me go ahead and cut off this tag though. This is the ring right here. It is a 3-stone white sapphire engagement ring, and it is a princess cut. This is when I was browsing through their website, I looked for every 3-stone ring because it's like my favorite kind of look, my favorite kind of style. If you notice, my engagement ring is a 3-stone. I always told my husband, when we had talked about engagement rings long before we actually got engaged, and the first time he asked me, I said I want 3 stones and they have to be square princess cut, because I don't like that whole circular 3-stone thing. I don't like it. But anyway, the meaning of this ring. White sapphire has a meaning and properties of organizing owner's thoughts. You can analyze all sorts of information to find out the answer. This gemstone is valuable when you want to have confidence in your thinking. You would be able to take action with a strong belief. Basically, that's what this means. And I think that is such nice quality for what it is. And yes, it's white sapphire. It's not diamonds. My actual engagement ring is diamonds. But I don't think that really should make a difference. If you look up close, and I'm going to compare them in a second, you can't even tell that they're not diamonds. So if you're one of those people that thinks that you need diamonds in your life, you can get away with just not having diamonds, and it looks like you have diamonds. You can go ahead and tell everybody this is diamond, and you won't even be able to tell the difference. This ring itself is $127, and actually I have a discount code where if you spend over $50 on italojewelry.com, you get a 20% off if you spend over $50. So you can get it for even cheaper. Honestly, I don't know how much my actual engagement and wedding ring costs, because I didn't ask my husband that. I'm not going to. Probably over $1,000. And honestly, it looks pretty much the same. Obviously, this ring means a lot to me. It's my engagement ring and my wedding ring. I'm like never gonna replace this, but I really do love the look of this, and I think it can look really, really nice wherever you put it. It doesn't necessarily have to be an engagement ring. If you like rings and you like bling, then this ring could be for you. Like, it is such a pretty ring and it looks really nice on the hand. From far away, it looks like I'm wearing crazy diamonds, right? Doesn't it? I love it. It's so, so pretty, and it makes me look like I'm really rich, right? The other stuff that came in the package was a little card that says Italo Jewelry. I'm gonna read it to you just so you know. Our dedicated quality assurance team inspects every item before shipment to ensure you receive a high quality piece. In the rare event that your item has a defect, please contact customer service, and then it gives you the email. We'd be happy to assist you. We reserve the right to void the warranty on any item, blah, blah, blah. So it's just basically a statement saying you have some sort of warranty if something is defective about your ring, which, oh my gosh, it is so shiny. I love it. I just keep getting distracted by it in the mirror. This is the return and exchange policy, basically. So if you receive the wrong item or the item is broken, what you should do. And then it also has another little card saying, oh, this is like care and stuff. So I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the care. At Italo, our fine jewelry is a precious possession that is designed and crafted to last a long time, but proper care is required to assure the lasting qualities of your jewelry. As a result, we created this basic jewelry care guide. So keep your jewelry secure, duh. Remove your jewelry before bathing, duh. Use jewelry polishing cloths for best results. Clean your jewelry with care. But be careful with that. So rubbing alcohol can work wonders, but bleach can literally destroy jewelry, so be careful with that. Use warm water to clean jewelry. I'm always so afraid to like clean my jewelry over the sink because it happened to my grandma. She lost her, I think, wedding ring or like an engagement ring or something that my grandpa gave her before he passed, and it went down the drain and she couldn't get it back. So it's always so scary to me. So really be careful when you're doing that. And then avoid cleaning damaged jewelry. If the jewelry's cracked or broken, it can get worse. So that's basically what's on these three cards. This last card is the certifications of the ring, and it basically just tells you that it passes all of the inspections and what exactly is this made of. It's sterling silver with white sapphire, and that's basically what's on the certificate. It also comes with the polishing cloth and this little pouch where you can store it in for easier than like the box. So basically that's what comes in the package. And I'm pretty sure all jewelry will come with something similar. Like you'll get a certificate, you'll get a care card, and a little bag and a polishing cloth, so you can always keep it polished and fresh. But this is such a pretty ring. I really like it. I like that it makes me look like I'm rich, right? I would definitely buy this on my own, like just to wear it. For $127 plus my discount code, which is gonna be on the screen at some point and in the description box. That's a really good deal, to be honest. I want you to know that the discount code, though, I'm not making any money off of that, but they are sponsoring this video, so I am getting paid to promote it. But I just think that this is so pretty. You can see it for yourself. Honestly, it doesn't feel cheaply made. It doesn't feel like it isn't diamonds, like it isn't like legit. Even the weight, it weighs a lot, and that's how you know like it's good quality. Hopefully all the close-ups you can see all the sparkling of the ring, just like the good quality of it. And hopefully you're not like cringing at my actual wedding ring when I compare them, because I haven't cleaned it in like so long, and it really has to be cleaned. It's very dirty, but that should give you a hint that this is like such a good quality ring. It hasn't gotten dirty yet, and I've had it for a while. It's a really, really nice ring. I just think it looks so pretty on my hand. So yeah, you can use my code MART to get you a discount, and it's gonna be in the description, as well as the website and the link to this exact ring, so you guys can see for yourself. But hopefully I have made it clear enough that this ring is really good quality and that I really, really like it. I like a lot of my friends that have gotten engaged haven't gone out and bought $1,000 rings. They've actually just bought something simple like this. And no, it's not as fancy as diamonds or anything, but it like literally makes you look super fancy, and you don't have to spend crazy amounts of money, and it's really meaningful. Like if my husband gave me this ring, I would be super happy. Even if it's not diamonds, I would just be really happy. But obviously this ring means a lot to me. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna wear this ring. It makes me look fancy, so I'm definitely gonna keep wearing this ring. If you're on a budget, I highly recommend checking out Italo Jewelry. It's gonna be linked in the description box down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!